Welcome to Math 121, Section 1, Statistics for the Fall 2022 semester at Hampden-Sydney College. My name is Dr. Marcus Pendergrass, and I will be your professor this semester. Statistics is sometimes a scary course for certain students. You may think that you're not sort of a math person, you don't have a math brain and all that. Really, I'm not sure any of that matters. Statistics is kind of a thing unto itself. It's different from most math courses in that it's very focused on data. In fact, statistics can be defined as the science of data. And we'll be learning over the course of this semester how to understand data, how to present data graphically, how to present data numerically, and how to draw conclusions from data. But the first thing you need to know about the course is the website MyOpenMath, which we will be using as sort of the home base of our course. You will be submitting your homework on MyOpenMath. Our textbook is on MyOpenMath. And a lot of the action of the course will happen on MyOpenMath. So I want to take a few minutes and show you how to get signed up for MyOpenMath and get enrolled in my course on MyOpenMath. So let's take a look. Actually, what you see behind me there is a screenshot from MyOpenMath, from our course page on MyOpenMath. And after you go through this video, you should be able to find your way to this same website. And again, this will be where we do most of the work of the course. So in order to get there, we first need to get to the MyOpenMath site. I've just done here a Google search on MyOpenMath, and the site we want is really the first site that comes up in the search results. So we'll just click on that, myopenmath.com, and that'll take us to the sign-in page. Now he remembers that I've signed in as an instructor before, but I want to kind of take you through what it requires to get signed up as a student. So actually, let me move that out of the way so we can see. You see over here on the right-hand corner, there's a login box. If you've used MyOpenMath before, you can actually just sign in with your username and password right here, but you probably haven't. And so you'll need to register as a new student, and that is this link right here that you see under the login button. So let's just click on that link. And this is the little sign-up page for MyOpenMath. As I said, I've already signed up myself as a teacher, but let me kind of sign up as a fictitious student in order to just walk you through the process. So you're going to need a username. I'm going to sign up as a student. Who should I be? I'll be John Hampden. So my username is kind of your computer name for the site. I'll just type JOHN and then capital HAMPDEN. The username can only contain upper and lowercase letters, as well as the underscore character. You can also have numbers in there too. So maybe there's another John Hampden in the system. I'll just go ahead and say John Hampden 9999 to make sure that I have a unique username here. Then you'll need to choose a password. So I'll click in the password box. I'm using Safari, and he's suggesting a really strong password, which I could take. If I don't want to use that, I'll just say don't use, and you can type in any password here. I'm going to type in one, letters and numbers. Try to make it something that you can remember. In fact, it'd be a good idea to write down all this stuff as you do it. They'll ask you to confirm the password. So here I go. And then give your first and last name. Please give these just as you appear on the Hampden-Sydney record, so I can I can connect your name on MyOpenMath to your name on our site. So this would be John Hampden. And use your Hampden-Sydney email address. So this would be what for John Hampden? Would be HAMPDENJ. It'd probably be 2024 or something. If I graduate in 2024, then at hsc.edu. Then a couple of options you can select or not. I'm going to turn off this option, receive new messages. I'm not going to be using the message system on MyOpenMath. If I need to send you messages, I'll always use just Hampden Sydney email. I am 13 years old or more, and yeah, you need to agree to the terms of use. And then you'll need to give the course ID and the enrollment key for our particular course. And I gave these to you in an email previously. Our course ID is 152318, and the enrollment key is the science of data. All of this is case sensitive, so make sure you get the capital and lowercase letters right, and then just click sign up. I guess we can save the password, and it gives us a little message. Your account with username John Hampden 9999 has been created. Blah blah blah. You have been enrolled in this course. Good. Okay, so now we need to return to the login page and actually just log in so we can get to our course. So let's do that. Return to the login page. My username is John HAMPDEN 9999, and then I will the computer already knows my password there, so I'll just do that, and I'm logged in now. You can see that it already knows that I'm taking that course that we mentioned, and then you have some other boxes over here about messages and forums that usually won't be of much concern to us. And so let's click on our course. Bang. And there we are. So now we're in the MyOpenMath site, and you can see that homepage we've seen before. If you scroll on down, you see my contact information, see information about our class meetings, and our textbook. By the way, our textbook is totally free, and it's also contained on this site, and you can link to it right here. If you just click the button, it'll bring you to the web page for our text, and so that's going to all be here, and you can preview that. Going back to MyOpenMath and scrolling on down, there's some introductory material, welcome to statistics, policies, syllabus, the course grading system, and you can see there's actually already some content. Our first unit is on sampling and data, and you can see there's some reading assignments that are already out there, as well as some homework assignments. So I'll be talking about those Monday in class. But yeah, once you get to this point, you're basically good to go. You're ready to go for our first day of class. So you want to be signed up and ready to go before you come to class Monday morning, because we'll be using MyOpenMath from the get-go pretty much every day. The rest of the course, I can just give you a little bit of a preview. We're going to have homework assignments that will be on MyOpenMath. There'll be several per week, not necessarily every single day, but most days there will be a homework assignment that goes along with whatever we've done in class that day. We will also be posting course notes and lecture slides here on MyOpenMath. As far as our course grading, I'll explain more about that on the first day, but we'll have basically 3 tests and a final exam, and then the homework will also count towards your final grade. And you can see some of that already on the site here. If you go to the site and look at, for instance, the course grading system, you can see that there's a course syllabus and some course policies. So all that's already there. You can peruse that before class, and we'll talk in more detail once we get started Monday morning. I'm really looking forward to seeing you all Monday morning, and looking forward to a good semester with you. In the meantime, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. My email is mpendergrass here at Hampden Sydney, and I'm looking forward to seeing you Monday. In the meantime, take care.